Hello and welcome. My name is Michaela. This session is designed using the principles of hypnosis to assist you in ending feelings of anxiety, anger, and depression. Many people who use the principles of hypnosis or meditation find that taking a moment to recenter in the middle of life's turmoil is a great way to relax. You might even wonder if something so simple can really help. And the answer is yes. There is hope for ending depression, and it comes from the desire to be happy that is already inside of you. You can find calmness from anxiety, and you can even give up stress, anger, or frustration by practicing these simple ideas. You deserve a few minutes for yourself. By taking this time, you are already on your way to feeling content, calm, and hopeful. Uncross your legs and arms and let your hands rest comfortably in your lap. With your eyes open, imagine a beautiful waterfall. Focus your attention on the moving water. I love water, and for some reason, watching moving water always brings me a sense of peace. Perhaps it's because moving water represents the power of life, or perhaps the movement simply distracts me from my stress. Either way, I find that every time I watch water move, such as the waves in the sea, a fountain, or a waterfall, I feel calm. As you relax, scan your whole body. If there is any place where you're holding tension, let those muscles become loose and relaxed. Often we don't even notice where we are carrying tension until we make the conscious choice to do a body scan. Then we can make the choice to let those muscles relax. Continue to focus all your attention on the image of the waterfall that you have created. As the water flows, let any immediate stresses or anxieties flow with the water away from you into a far and distant place. Many will find this easy to do. However, others might experience initial difficulty. Perhaps this is because stress has been a part of life for so long, and then letting it go is something that takes time, and that's perfectly okay. Notice how your body has become more relaxed. After focusing your attention for so long on this image that you have created, your eyes might feel tired or be heavy. It is perfectly okay to let them close and use this time to re-energize the body, mind, and soul. Go ahead and close your eyes and use your imagination to drift into the scenery of the waterfall. Pay attention to your breathing. Notice how it has become slow, smooth, and rhythmic. This isn't even something you have tried to do. but something that comes naturally by taking a moment for yourself and letting go of any obvious tension. As your hands rest on your lap, notice the sensation of relaxation and calm that you have already achieved. Now say to yourself the word warm and focus on your hands, letting them feel a sense of warmth. Say to yourself, my hands are warm. And as you do, notice the sensation of warmth that you have created in your hands. Now say the word heavy. Notice how heavy your resting hands are while you say to yourself, my hands are warm and heavy. Once again, my hands are warm and heavy. Now focus on your feet and say to yourself, my feet are warm and heavy. And again, my feet are warm and heavy. It's amazing how as you say, my feet are warm and heavy, you can begin to feel that sensation of warmth and heaviness. Our first lesson is that we can control the way we feel. This is true both physically and mentally, no matter how difficult life situations are. That sense of warmth and heaviness brings a sense of relief from the weariness of life. It allows you to recharge the mind and the body in the time that we have in this session. Now, focus on your breathing and notice that it is smooth and rhythmic. Relax deeper with each breath you take. Although it may feel magical to relax this deeply, especially since you haven't felt this calm in a long time, this is a totally natural state. It is not a state that I have created. You have created this state, and you can re-experience it at any time. I will teach you how to do this in a moment. First, it's time to focus on your desire to be free from pain or anxiety by feeling a state of calm. Notice how the sense of heaviness is like a calming anchor, allowing you to feel physically calm, even if your mind might wander or race. Perhaps your desire to experience hope rather than depression. By participating in this simple exercise of creating warmth and heaviness, you can see how you have a creative ability within you that can also create the experience of hope. Water always makes me feel hopeful. I don't know why, but it does. Perhaps it's because it reminds me that nothing stays the same. Or perhaps it's because its power and energy revitalize my spirit. Do you desire freedom? Do you desire success? Take a moment and create an affirmation that reflects your heartfelt desire. You can say something like, I am free from stress. or I can create hope from the inside. You can even focus on a single word, such as happiness, serenity, or forgiveness. As you continue to enjoy your mental image of the waterfall, take a moment to focus on a word or the affirmation that you have chosen. Repeat it in your mind, seeing it spout out and hearing yourself speak these words. Notice the feeling that these positive words or affirmations bring. It really is amazing how simply repeating a word or an affirmation can manifest it into reality. But remember that all creations were thoughts first. To be hopeful, to be calm, to be forgiving, you must first begin with a thought. Then you can truly experience all of this and more each day. Like a heavy rain that fills the stream that leads to the river and into this waterfall, you can reinforce this thought. Write your affirmation or word into a sticky note and place it on the bathroom mirror, your dashboard, or the monitor of your computer. Let it be a constant reminder that despite other factors in life, you have the ability to turn a thought into emotions and success. Relax even deeper now. Notice how remarkably easy it has been to set aside a few moments to re-energize. Even though life requires action, you now have a starting point for re-energizing during difficult times, and a starting point for creating thoughts that turn into results. In fact, you can even congratulate yourself for taking the time to invest in your success. You know that by starting this process, hope, calmness, and happiness are the result. As you continue to relax, pay attention to your right thumb and index finger. Touch them together as if you are making an OK sign. As you feel a sense of calm, touch them together and press firmly to associate that feeling with this action. Whenever you feel stressed or anxious, touch your fingers together and allow yourself to instantly re-experience this state of serenity. You can do this at work, at home, or in any difficult situation. Instantly, you will bring yourself back to this starting point of serenity and creativity, allowing any temporary stress to pass without escalating. As we near the end of the session, you can open your eyes, or you can keep them closed for another moment. Feel the floor below your feet, the air in the room around you, and continue to experience the image of water flowing over the waterfall. Let yourself feel a sense of energy in the muscles of your body and also in your spirit. Feel refreshed, energetic, and ready to be positive in any situation.